how to see people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. So this is the option you can turn on. Now to see the people who viewed your profile, all you need to do is like following those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your TikTok and click on profile. Now, click on the eyes icon up there, beside those three bonds. Wait for a minute and people who viewed your profile, they're gonna show up. Now, they're gonna give you the list of people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days will appear here, and only you can see this. So, this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.